Damn, son. It's 8 o'clock on Friday, October 30th right now. And Jared Shelby, the owner of the SSC Tuatara, the guys who, and let me just brief everyone with this. These guys at SSC with a car called the Tuatara, they just claim to have broken up world record Guinness, basically, or record Guinness. I'm sorry, I've been drinking my own shit. So just please put up with this. So anyways, he had the fastest time ever for a run that he just did, and he captured on video. And then he released the video. Everyone was so happy. Everything went great until SHMEE decided that I was not a part of that. I'm just kidding. Until SHMEE watched the video and said, listen, there's a lot of mathematical things that come up in my mind right now that I should worry about this video. And he went on and just called them out and said, dude, the video is fucking absolutely not real. You guys are fucking lying because, and then he compared it with the Koenigsegg one, etc. So everybody's like, what the fuck has happened? So right now, Jared just came out, the owner of the SSC, the car company that's in question right now, just came out with a statement that's 4 minutes long where he kind of addresses the problem and he goes, hey guys, this was a really special day for me. And then of course he puts the American music and like the heartfelt, like everything. And I understand it's fucking brilliantly well done. And then he goes on and explains that basically he asked for the footage after, and I'm not making this up. This is his, go watch the video. I'm going to link it down below. That after the video was somehow released and everybody saw it and SHMEE called him out, he went and said, hey, I need the footage of this video at this point, and let me see it. And at that point, they saw it for the first time ever. And he said, wow, it did not match the GPS one, right? But he didn't say when did they find out. They didn't say why they blurred the number. They didn't say anything. Here's the deal. I do believe this dude can break the world record. I do believe it 100%. I know because I've worked in, I've done this shit before. I feel like I have, make a couple of videos or whatever. And I 100% do think that this guy is going to break the record. What I do think happened was the GPS and what the computer was showing was not in sync. And that's mostly because someone just didn't think of that's an issue that happens at high speeds, right? When you were doing pre-production. And instead of like owning up to it or whatever, they were like, let's just sneak it in because they probably ran the numbers. But again, not on that run that they were filming. So they had to blur that. So here's the deal. This dude just called out SHMEE, Misha, and Robert. I am not very familiar with Robert. I'm very familiar with Misha and obviously with Tim. So this should be fun. I do think this dude's going to be able to make it. I think it's a fucking, it's just a production fucking mistake, people. But I do appreciate the comedy that's coming out of it. So cheers to ALERON. Is that the most sold mezcal in Mexico?